Welcome to our tutorial on how to send multiple videos with text on Messenger Group on your PC with the latest update. Let's walk through the steps to make your group chats on Messenger more interactive and engaging. To begin, open messenger.com in your web browser to access Messenger on your PC. Once you're on the Messenger platform, open any group chat on Messenger where you wish to share multiple videos with text. Within the group chat window, you'll find the photo and video icon located at the bottom next to the text box. In case you don't see these options initially, simply tap the plus icon next to the text box to reveal them. Click on the photo and video icon and proceed to choose the videos you want to send to the group. Select the videos from your device and click Open to add them to your message. After selecting the videos, it's time to personalize your message. Write the note or message you want to accompany the videos in the text box provided. Once you've composed your message and added the videos, click Send or press Enter on your keyboard to share the videos along with your text in the Messenger group chat. By following these steps, you can easily send multiple videos with text on Messenger Group on your PC, allowing you to connect with your group members in a more expressive and dynamic way. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Start sharing multiple videos with text on Messenger Group today and make your group chats more vibrant and engaging for everyone involved.